Alright. We're still stuck. But water's coming up. Probably another hour and a half. And we should be back where we belong in the water.
Half an hour. 45.
Jess is getting hungry. Boys, Pete and Bug in the shade. Lincoln's still hunting for oysters.
There you go, Rob.
You got me a little one?
Yeah.
Oh, you beauty. Oh, that's perfect, mate. That one. Nice little oyster here. What's this bait called again?
Oh, I forgot. It's over there, didn't it?
Oh.
Oh, get me one. But, oh, look at that. Imagine if you got those at the restaurants this big.
You wouldn't need many.
No.
Gone. Thanks, Lincoln.
In the restaurant, they're like fucking $17 for it.
What's it? Me and Lincoln went to catch.
That's dinner.
It was $17.
You gonna eat that?
Oh, this is Lincoln. Yeah, he's getting me a small one.
Oh, the boat's about 600 from the water. Brucey! You okay? Don't want you to get sunstroke.
Enjoying the serenity, Robert.
Roger that.
I don't know if that one's small or anything.
Pete and Steve are sitting there starving, dreaming about what are you dreaming about, Steve? Bacon and egg sandwich and pulled pork. We haven't had breakfast or lunch. A little bit. I just had another oyster. It was beautiful.
2 fried eggs, but 4 bits of bacon.
4 bits of bacon.
That makes sense. Maybe some tomato.
We'll be in the water soon.